Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make your Steam account and friends list completely private. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Steam interface. In the upper left corner of the screen, hover your mouse over your username. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Profile. This takes you to your personal Steam profile page where you can view and manage all your public information. Now, on the right side of your profile page, you'll notice an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and click on it. This button opens up your profile customization area where you can modify various aspects of how others see your Steam account. This is where all the privacy controls are located, so it's an important section to know about. Once you're in the Edit Profile section, look at the left sidebar. You'll see several menu options listed there, and one of them is Privacy Settings. Click on Privacy Settings to access the controls that determine who can see your information on Steam. This section is crucial because it gives you complete control over your visibility and what information other users can access about your account. Now navigate to My Profile. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Private from the available options. By setting this to private, you're ensuring that only you can view your full profile details. Anyone else visiting your profile will see limited information, which gives you much better control over your online presence. Next, navigate to Friends List. Just like before, right beside it, you'll find another drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down menu and select Private. This setting is particularly important because it prevents strangers from seeing who you're connected with on Steam. Your friend connections remain visible only to you, which adds another layer of security and privacy to your account. And that's it. You've successfully made your Steam account and friends list private, keeping your gaming activity and connections secure from public view. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.